Cars are increasingly becoming smarter than ever. However, the more technology we put in our cars, the more attractive they become to potential thieves. Therefore, it's so important that you take some extra steps to keep your car safe. Here are some top tips. One of the most obvious but essential mechanisms for security is the car alarm, which as soon as someone tries to break into your car will send out a clear, striking noise, grabbing your attention. You can decide to upgrade these alarms with a tracking device, helping locate your car if it does happen to be stolen. Another device that is highly successful at deterring thieves is the steering wheel lock, with its secure mechanism hooking across your wheel. Many of these models are available in a bright yellow colour, whilst others are equipped with a reflective light, which will scare off anyone. At Halfords, we also stock a range of Diskloks, which completely cover your car wheel and can't be removed without a key. They are also very bold and act as excellent deterrents. The variety of sizes means that every car wheel can have one of these. To ensure your vehicle is exactly where you left it, use a wheel clamp. Like the previous locks, these can come in an unmissably bright yellow colour, acting as a highly visible deterrent for any criminal behaviour. Many modern cars now come with automatic locks, which provides us with added convenience and ease. But this convenience also allows thieves to easily tap into your key fob signal and access your car. At Halfords, you can invest in an anti-theft car wallet that protects your key fob signal from being tampered with and reduces the risk of your car or valuables being stolen. Another great way to deter thieves is an Immobiliser, which disables your car if it is started without a key. It inhibits the processes that allow your car to move. If your car is older than 1988, then this device won't have been automatically fitted, so you should consider having one installed, and as a bonus, it can help reduce your insurance premium. If you want any more advice, then pop into your local Halfords branch and a team member will be more than happy to help. You can also see our range of car security online.